Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for chainsaw in Kentucky on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Got this unit truckerized for you, chainsaw, upgraded MOSFETs, as well as the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. We've got your 10 kilohertz switch, as well as the high cut noise filter, wideband transmit and receive. Man, this thing's ready to rock and roll. We got the mic modification and all, okay? Start with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Turn down my monitor radio there. Like I said, about 25 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. We'll show you average power swing. Hello, hello, audio, audio, audio. Over 200 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. This thing here's a hot one. About 620 PEP. Alright, chainsaw's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.